Jack Pool Plaza. It's in the book. You work here?
Yes.
Okay. I'm looking for the Japanese War Memorial.
Yeah, okay.
Make a left.
And then once you see like a water park,
Water park.
and then make a left.
I'll make a left and I'll come right to it.
Yeah, you'll see the giant building, which is the aquarium. So just go around there.
Behind the aquarium.
Yeah, behind the aquarium.
Thank you. What's your name?
Jack.
Thank you, Jack. I'm Danny. Advisor Danny.
Oh, good.
Nice to meet you. Happy New Year.
Happy New
Both of you. Look at that pretty smile.
It is flooded, so you may want to...
Should I go another way?
No, I would just try it this way and see how far you
Come out here, make a left to the aquarium, and then I'll find it.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot, Jack. Have a great year. Well, I've gone in circles looking for what I think I have finally found. And the girls in the Vancouver Aquarium gift shop were really helpful, although many others were, including strangers from other countries, trying to get me to this spot because it's in the book. And so we really need to tell this story. And I think I'm going to add it later because of the rain. You know, Vancouver is also known as Raincouver. So half the year sun, half the year rain. Just mixes up a little bit here and there, and you got to enjoy both because we need both to get stuff just like this God created big tree. Wow, beautiful. No sunshine, no rain, no tree. So I love Japan. You know that if you have watched more than one video together with me. All right, this is it. The Japan War Memorial at Stanley Park. Beautiful. Japan and Canada have a long-standing relationship together. Some of it a little clouded, but in recent years, much better going. Second World War, 1939 to 1945. Korean War, 50 to 53. Japanese-Canadian War Memorial, dedicated April 9th, 19... One more shot before we take off under this umbrella. All right, lots to do here in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada, and lots to do here in Stanley Park, perhaps the most incredible park in the world. You might want to debate me on that, but in any case, it's a beauty with lots to see and do right here in the park. It's better on a sunny day, but we'll take what we can get, right? All right, let's move on to some more. We're clipping along at a faster pace. We're going to be putting more and more of these places inside of each video so we get the entire allotment. 111 places in Vancouver you do not want to miss. a beautiful walk here along Jericho Beach. We're going to catch a picture or two of that building that's in the book just up ahead. Welcome to High Vancouver, Jericho Beach Hostel. Okay. Sure enough. That's it. Jericho Art Center. It's in the book. You can find out a lot more when you get your own copy. Then you can read it while you are watching the videos, which give you a little taste for each stop. It's a book.
Yeah.
And I have the book, and so I'm retracing all those steps. And one of them is the Kitsilano Pool. So the Kitsilano Pool, built in I think 1931, we'll double check that. $50,000, which wasn't a significant amount of money back then. Largest saltwater heated pool in Vancouver. It's kind of what I know about, and you'll have to read the book, because you really should get a copy on Amazon and follow along together with me on this video replication of the book. And here we are. I've never seen this Kitsilano showboat. Wow, it is big. Ah, they have plays or something here. And there you can see the pool. It doesn't look like it's really been in use in a while. Very cool. Okay, we got to move on to our next spot. Let's go. Every city in the world seems to have a place where you can go and watch airplanes land and take off. Here at Vancouver International Airport is a place just like that at the end of the runway, where you can watch the planes come in and leave. This is a good guy, Finn. We're gonna put his website or his, and you're also David?
I'm Mike.
Mike, okay. And this is the Forager.
I'm a forager, yeah.
This is Finn, and I just met him. He's an interesting guy, I think, trying to make the world a better place. But when I met him, he had a shovel in his hand.